Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Have you opted out from November 2020 exams of CA course and appeared for exams in January 2021? Then this video is meant for you, my dear students. Of course, this video is designed for the students of all the stage of CA course, that is either foundation or CA inter or CA final. Now, first of all, the results of January 2021 attempt may get announced by the end of March 2021. Several students are in a wrong notion that they will be released very early. No such thing. So I have taken official confirmation from various central council members, and based on that opinion only I am saying. So my dear students, please don't wait for results. Immediately assess your performance and take a decision whether to join for crash batch or revision batches now itself. So for all the stages, we have two types of batches. One is crash batch, that is coaching batch. Another one is revision exams and study hours batches, where we will make you to sit and study for the entire day and will be conducting 2 exams a week. So you need to take a decision now itself and please don't wait for results. While making an assessment of your performance, don't forget to deduct at least 10% of your expected marks because you cannot be sure how valuation will be. And while evaluating your own papers and assessing your expected marks, please don't forget that this is a professional course. And don't expect that CA Institute will award 100% marks. No, it will not be like that. Even if you have written your answers very well and they are exactly correct, even then you will be awarded only 75 to 80% marks only. Now, if you take a decision after results, then following will be the challenges that you may face. First of all, you will hardly have 1.5 months of time to appear for the next attempt of CA course because results will be out by March ending and the next attempt will be the next attempt, that is exams of May 2021 attempt will commence approximately by May 22nd onwards. So you will be hardly having 1.5 months of time. Of course, we are planning to conduct study hours and revision exams batches for CA Foundation, CA Inter and CA Final after announcement of results, that is by March 31st. Of course, students can appear for single group only in our revision exams as the available time will not be sufficient to attempt both the groups. It is not at all possible to take admission for coaching, that is crash batch. So once again, as the available time will be very less, hardly you will be able to attend our study hours and revision exams. We are not planning any crash batch at that time because the available time will not be sufficient. So even if you are confident of qualifying in January 2021 attempt, then it is better to take admission for crash batch or revision batches, assuming that you will get failed in the exams. So let us assume you have taken admission crash or revision batch and you got qualified in January attempt. The maximum thing that you are going to lose is money. But if you don't admit now, then you will not get any opportunity later on to join for either crash or revision batches. That's why please don't wait for results. Remember one golden rule in professional courses. You need to start your preparation immediately after writing exams and you shall not wait for announcement of results. For example, if you start your preparation immediately after writing your exams, that is after completion of your exams in January month itself, then you will have ample time to prepare for the next attempt, that is February, March, April. But if you start your preparation after announcement of results, then you will hardly have 1.5 months to appear for the next attempt. That's why it is always better to be proactive rather than reactive and don't wait for announcement of results. And don't forget that in professional courses, failure leads to failure because after results you have only 1.5 months of time. If you start preparation before results, you have 3 months of time. That's why you have to be proactive. So if you want to come out of failure, then you have to start your preparation immediately after writing your exams. There is one more logical reason for this. So let us assume you have written your public exams in January 2021. And I can challenge you that within just 1 week to 10 days of completion of your public exams, you are bound to forget everything that you have learned in the exam, learned for the exams. because your mind feels that it is unimportant and it will start deleting so as to get space for further content. But if you start revising immediately after writing your exams, then your mind feels that yes, this is important and I need to save it permanently. So, for any reason, you must start your preparation immediately after writing your exams, and you shall not wait for results in case of professional courses. So, we are providing following services to the students of study hours and revision exams batches at all the levels of CA course. First one is we will provide a systematic revision exam schedule to prepare. So, if you blindly follow that schedule, your chances of qualifying in the public exam will be more. So, we will maintain proper social distance by accommodating only 3 students for every 2 benches. I have seen several study halls where they are not even maintaining few inches of distance between one student and another student. In majority cases, the chairs will be placed adjacently. So I'm not interested to make any comment on any of the services being provided by anyone. But what I'm trying to project is we are maintaining proper social distance and we are maintaining proper gap so that students can prepare comfortably. So we provide supporting faculty or faculty for doubts clarification. So we counsel the students immediately after completion of exam, and we will explain the mistakes done by the students so that students can avoid repeating the same mistakes again. So we generally offer this service for the students of all courses. So we play the videos of rapid revision batches of all the subjects. So in rapid revision batches, we will be able to revise the entire subject in a matter of 20 to 25 hours. So we are providing this facility for the students of CA Foundation as well as CA Inter. So we play the videos related to amendments classes. So we play videos on scientific way of preparing each subject. That means, so we will explain you how to prepare each of the subjects. So we play videos of guidance classes on how to score exemption range of marks in each of the subjects. All those videos were prepared by expert team of faculty. So we conduct revision exams in a very systematic way and we will return back the valued exam papers to students. I have seen revision exams being conducted by various organizations. So majority cases they don't return back the valued papers, but you will not have such kind of bitter experience in masterminds. So we conduct exclusive MCQ exams as a part of revision exams for CA Inter as well as CA Final students. So in our case, we even appoint in charges to monitor the study hours. I have not seen this kind of facility in almost any of the study halls. So they don't monitor how students are studying, but we take that additional responsibility. We even appoint in charges to monitor the study hours. If you are not interested to attend our study hours physically, don't worry. You can even stay at home and appear for our revision exams. Same schedule, same question papers, and that service is called Masterminds Test Series. We offer the service of Masterminds Test Series at Foundation, Inter and Final levels, and our test series service is entirely different from that of others who are offering similar service in the market. Unlike others, we will provide you a fixed schedule and we will even evaluate your exam papers. I have observed the test series being conducted by various organizations. They don't provide you any fixed schedule. We will also offer intensive care batch, that is IC batch for CA final students in study hours and revision exams batches, which is available at Guntur. So more additional care will be taken with respect to those students. We also offer Sure Success batch for CA Inter students in study hours and revision exams batches, and it is available at Guntur. And this is almost like a pass guarantee batch. So I think all the above stated services will not be available in any other organizations, including any study halls. So every year, thousands of students are appearing for our study hours and revision exams, and some are even achieving ranks, and we are proud of that. Just studying in a study hall will not work out, my dear students, because in professional courses, you need to write numerous number of exams. Since you need to appear for a written exam, your practice must also be in written form. That's why you better come and join with our study hours and revision exams batches. There are some organizations who are even offering test series. In case of test series, what happens is they will give you complete freedom when you want to write exam in any of the subjects. So that's why the problem with the test series is that you will not have any pressure to finish particular amount of syllabus within a given time frame. But if you follow our schedule, that is revision exam schedule, and then you will have pressure to finish a particular amount of syllabus within a given time frame. So generally we know that without pressure we will not study well. So that's why our revision exams and test series are entirely different from what is being offered in the market. If you are interested to take admission in any of the batches of CA or CMA Inter, in Masterminds, or CA or CMA Foundation, or CA or CMA Final, then please do call the number 9885125011 or 03. So I'm not against to study halls or test series being offered by various organizations, but I'm just sharing the advantages of our service of study hours and revision exams when compared to that of study halls and test series. If you're not interested to appear for revision exams, then you can even prepare at home, and you need not stay in a study hall just for studying. Even in your home you can study comfortably. So it does not make any difference whether you study in a study hall or at home, but it definitely makes difference when you come and appear for study hours and revision exams in Masterminds. My dear students, immediately take a decision and take admission for either crash batch, that is coaching, or study hours and revision exams batch. Please don't wait. So admissions are going on for both the services of crash batch and study hours and revision exams batches at all the levels of CA course. So CA interest students shall think of joining for ICATSS classes only after announcement of results, and but not before that. Don't worry, even after announcement of results you will have ample time to join for articleship. So CA interest students shall think of joining for article training or articleship only after qualifying both the groups. Never ever thought of joining for articleship just after qualifying one group, because if you do so, you will never be able to qualify the remaining group. So if you are still in dilemma and unable to take a right decision, then send a mail to my mail ID, and I love to solve your doubts. This is my mail ID, mssprakash2012@gmail.com. Don't forget to download our Android app, Masterminds Online Classes. Numerous number of videos are available in that app, and you can directly purchase the videos that you are interested, and you can start watching them without any human intervention. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press bell icon to receive notifications about latest videos. And please do follow our Facebook and Instagram pages, Mastermind for CA, so that you can get latest updates. So don't forget to join our Telegram channel for doubts clarification. So more details are provided in the description of this video. It's a very large group where we are clarifying the doubts of the students at a very short notice of time. If you are interested to take admission in any of the batches of CA or CMA in Masterminds, then please do call the mobile number given here. So this is what I would like to convey, my dear students. So please take a decision immediately and don't wait till the announcement of results of January 2021 attempt. All the best.